So here is the little altered book about joy. Please bear with me on this because I've got it on autofocus and it's coming in and out. I think it doesn't like the pale. It's quite pale. It's actually a sort of lovely violet, pastel violet colour. So, as usual, I've taken the book apart and I've replaced it with 2 signatures, which I've sewn in. I've put washi tape here to neaten it up and give a bit of strength there. You've got beautiful quotes throughout this book. Joys are our wings, which is lovely. Scatter joy. So I've left quite a lot of these pages in, and you've also got blank pages like this one, which is watercolour paper for your own illustrations or drawing or journaling, or to carry mementos. You can collage on these pages. You can draw right across and use this, and you could gesso around here and use this as part of your page. All sorts of things are possible with this book. Here's another bit of note paper. This is Fabriano paper. And this is a cream colour. It doesn't look cream. As I'm looking at this video, it doesn't look cream, but it's cream. Or you might call it ivory. More quotes. And in the middle, I've made a little pocket. And I've put some cutouts, some butterfly cutouts. Oh, I don't know if you can see very well. Little cardboard, little paper butterflies. You can use in collage or whatever you like. And you can use this pocket to store notes, journal notes, mementos or anything. More pages, more blank pages, plenty of blank pages for you. And these pages, I think they can take quite a lot of media on them, so you could draw on these. I don't know about painting, but it depends the kind of book you like. I like messy, so I would probably go straight to it with a bit of paint, but you use it how you want to. This is your chance to be creative. This would make a lovely gift to somebody who likes art journaling or who likes journaling. Anybody really, they can just keep their own little notes and mementos in here. They could make little quotes of their own when they find them in other books. Keep them in here. And it could be a place to turn to when you're feeling a bit down. Get some positive vibes. And here I've made another pocket and some little heart cutouts for you to use. And I've made a bookmark. Let's see. And it's got, try and get this into focus, Love Life on it. So there you are. The last page looks like that. It's got a little heart there. I don't know if you can see that. Ooh, it's having trouble picking that up. But there you have it. A little book about joy. And I hope that whoever uses this book will get a lot of joy and happiness from it.